Alright, I got this Zeee pack. It's not charged, fresh out the box, but it should have enough juice for us to go ahead and get a quick run. I'm gonna see what it does before I fix all this stuff, all that. Yeah, it won't be wiggling like that no more. Won't be wiggling like that no more. Just the worst one right there. So we'll be making all these repairs. Make some repairs all up in here. But you see we got a Hobbywing system in here. Decent little car. Gonna give it a run. As you hear, we're on 3S, of course. And I want to say this is a quick run system in there, not an easy run system. 3660, I want to say 3100, 3300 kg, something like that. Can't really run it on 4S. I should have had some decent range. I hadn't driven it all the way up here before. That battery's probably super low. It cut out on me. But that should be enough for the, yeah. We get a good fresh charged battery in here, of course. But that should have been enough for a decent run. We'll go check the GPS. Like I said, this was a fresh out the pack battery that hadn't been charged up yet. So, turn us back on. In, read 77 kilometers. All right. So that's our base point. That's where we're starting from.